Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. I've got my very first unboxing for February and it is Glossybox. It's arrived a little bit earlier than usual. Now you won't be able to subscribe and receive the February box until the 1st of February onwards. So if you fall in love with it, just wait a couple more days and then you'll be able to subscribe and receive this one. It costs £13.50 a month for a rolling subscription, and if you take out a 12-month subscription then it reduces the cost to £11.50 a month. This is Glossybox UK. There are other glossy boxes around the world, but this is solely for the UK. Inside you usually get around 5 beauty items, ranging from anything beauty, and we sometimes get the odd freebie as well. I'll pop a link to the subscription down below in my description, as well as any discount codes. I do have a £5 off your first box code, which I'll pop down there, and if I can find any other codes, then you'll find it all listed down there, as well as all my other discount codes and offers to other websites. So yeah, you're welcome to take a look if you want to. So yeah, so let's get on to seeing then what's inside the February box. I've just completely wrecked that, but it doesn't matter. Right. Ooh, we've got a perfume. You're not going to be able to see much. Right, let's look for a QR code, just so I can tell you a little bit more about the theme. There's a code. We are loved, or you are loved. There's a little sneak peek for next month. It's called Spring Awakening, and it's a special design box. I'm not sure how much you'll be able to see because my camera doesn't cope with my mobile. Woo! But it's a special design box next month, but it doesn't tell me what's going to be inside. Well, it looks like we're all going to receive the same. There's no variations, which is good. Starting off with a perfume. This is by Avant, and this is Persian Sunset Eau de Parfum. There's 10 mils here, and this is a deluxe size, and it retails for £27, or it is worth £27. I didn't know Avant did perfumes. Yeah, let's see what it's like. Oh, that's nice. That is nice. I'm always a bit nervous about trying perfumes. There is a sweetness to it. I'm not very good at describing, but let's see if this will make more sense to you. Persian Sunset demonstrates the perfect harnessing of exotic elegance. It would be impossible not to feel the sun on your skin and the sand between your toes when spritzing this delightfully warming fragrance. Its alluring orange colour represents that of the most gorgeous sunset. No, it doesn't say anything about what's in it. Oh my gosh, okay. I went onto the Avant website. We got top notes of berries and peppercorn, middle notes of raspberry and wood, and base notes of violet and floral fresh. So yeah, it's quite nice. I was a bit nervous of spraying it, but no, I'm pleasantly surprised. So we've got a perfume. Next we've got a dewy blush. This is a glossy cheek tint by Ciate in shade Papaya. Now there's 5 mils there, and it says it's a deluxe size worth £27. Ugh, there's a mistake there. There's got to be a mistake. Ciate London isn't a really pricey brand for a 5 mil blush. For £27, now they've made a mistake. An advanced gel balm blush with an ultra dewy and glossy finish with a subtle scent and tint of colour. Created with natural yuzu and dragon fruit extracts, this lightweight blush brightens and refreshes your base whilst revitalising your complexion. Okay, let's have a go. There. Wow, that colour is really pretty. It's quite vibrant, isn't it, when you first see it, but it blends in really nicely. Yeah, I really like that. It's like a strawberry tint. Yeah, that's really nice. I like that. Smell? No, not really. If anything, I can smell a bit of licorice, which is a bit weird, isn't it? I wasn't expecting licorice. No, not much of a scent at all. So yes, we got a dewy blush by Ciate London. Next up, we got a beauty blending sponge. This is by Sophia and Mabel. It's a beauty blender, full size, and it retails for £11 and 3p, which I always find funny. I received this in a different box. I'm not sure which box or when, but I do remember the 3p. Yeah, it's a beauty blending sponge. I don't find these very exciting anymore, I've got to be honest. They're handy. I use them all the time. It's not like it's a product that I will never use. I will use it, but I don't know. Is it just me, or do you get excited when you see beauty blending sponges in boxes? I get more excited about actual brushes. I've got a bit of an obsession with brushes, but beauty blending sponges, unless there's something dynamic about them, a bit different, then it's like, handy staple, but not very exciting. Then we got a return of a brand we haven't seen in Glossybox for a long time. This is Diaryofabeautygeek Cosmetics. Those of you that have been a subscriber for many years, you will recognise the name. This is a lip gloss in shade Verdict. Experience an effortless high gloss editorial look without any stickiness or tackiness. Our gloss offers supreme comfort and unreal hydration in every swipe. Shine brilliantly with our non-sticky ultra hydrating formula that keeps on glowing, and it retails for £12.57. I do really like this colour. I might have had one of these in the past. It does ring a bell. But yeah, I really do like that colour. It's pretty, like a warm pinky nude. We've got a lip gloss by Diaryofabeautygeek Cosmetics. Lastly, we've got Photo Face. This is a photo finish effect in a flash. Minimise the appearance of pores, fine lines and uneven skin texture. Helps to lock in moisture and keep makeup in place. And this is by Doctor's Formula. And there's 30 mils here. And this retails for £89. £89! Oh my gosh, it's like Avant, isn't it? Just really pricey. Woo! Oh, I only wanted to put a little bit on. Ooh, oh, I've put way too much on. It's very liquidy. I was expecting it to be more like a moussey gel type formula, but it's very liquidy. It's more like a serum then, you know. Give your face a filter with this velvety primer which will reduce uneven texture, pores and fine lines and assures your makeup lasts longer, the skin is smoother and the confidence is lifted with this beauty essential. I just put a ton on my hands, so not great. I think I have had this in a different beauty box before and yeah, it's okay. I wouldn't say wow, £89 primer. It does feel nice though. It is nice and soft now that it's all blended in. We'll have to see what it's like on my actual face before I give an opinion, really. But there you go, those are all the products inside the February glossy box. I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. So we've got an Persian Sunset Eau de Perfume 10 mils by Avant. We've got a Beauty Blender by Sophia and Mabel. We've got a Dewy Blush by CRT London. We've got a lip gloss in shade Verdict by Diaryofabeautygeek Cosmetics. And lastly, we've got a Photo Face primer from Doctor's Formula. Besides the CRT blush, which I do think they've made a mistake with the price, being £27, the rest of the items come in at around £140. Obviously, that primer bumps it right up at being £89. But yeah, I'd love to hear your thoughts on it. What do you think of this month's box? Are you a subscriber? Are you looking forward to receiving it? Or are you thinking, shall I subscribe? Shall I not? I'd love to hear. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.